Hello, dear viewer. Today, I'll be showing you how to get started with ORNA's Alerts module. It's actually pretty straightforward. My name is Logan Wolfe, and I'm a founder and CEO at ORNA. So, once you purchase your Alerts module, or potentially if you're subscribed for a trial here at ORNA, this is what you'll see in the dashboard. So there's no data. It's not very exciting, is it? But first, a quick tour. So the way that the alert dashboard works is naturally you need to install monitoring agents on the assets in scope. And eventually they'll start sending feeds like this, and you're going to see on the left here qualitative and quantitative scores of different alert levels, as well as charts and what numbers of what kind of alerts you receive a certain period of time, as well as a certain breakdown of alerts by asset type, by asset itself, by source, and you could actually hook up all kind of IDS, IPS, CM, and other monitoring agents, including firewall logs, and sky's the limit. We have 200 plus integrations, so chances are if you're using a security or IT or ITSM tool, we do integrate with it, and it's just going to all feed into ORNA in a centralized manner. Right, and finally by tactics, obviously, so what kind of tactics are being used to attack your company. Now then, on the bottom here, you're going to be able to see just all of the alerts that you have across this period of time, and then you can categorize them, you can group them, you can filter them by criticality, and so on and so on. And then obviously you can view alert details just like that. So to set all of that up, here's what you need to do. So you purchase the alerts module, then you simply need to go to your assets right here. And you can either select an existing asset or you can add a new asset. Let's say we add a new one. You can also import from CSV, and there's a pretty cool kind of a import mechanism there where you can fix any issues that pop up right here in the UI and continue with importing the assets. So let's say web server, something like that. So in this case, will this be software? This will be hardware. So since it's a web server, let's say it's a hardware. And since it's a production server, let's say it's a high criticality asset. Now this check mark here is important. As you can see, you can select this if this asset has ORNA Scout, which is our monitoring agent, or another ORNA compatible monitoring agent deployed on it. So you want to check this just like that. Once you add this asset, you will automatically see this agent deployment guide. And it would be the same if you go to some of the existing assets and simply mark them as monitored assets as well. You select your system here, whatever it may be, and then you simply copy the installation, registration, and starting the agent instructions right here. If you have an existing agent on the network, it will also simply update it, so there won't be an issue. And then once this is deployed, you just monitor this sort of an eye icon. You can see here, once the connection of the agent is verified, the white icon next to the asset name will change to green. There you go, just like that. And if you want to see this guide again, you can simply go here and select Agent Guide. This option will only appear on monitored assets, and it will not show up if the asset is not monitored. Finally, this option to mark assets as monitored will not be available for some certain asset types, like for example, person. We're not a PI agency, so we can't monitor your employees, at least not within ORNA. Wink, wink. But if you change the type, then you see the option pop up here. And that's it. That's all you need to know to install alerts and get started with ORNA alerts. This was completely unscripted and take one. So hopefully this works. And thanks for staying with us. Take care. Thank you for watching this ORNA video. If you ever have any questions or need any help, whether that's technical support or subject matter expertise support, such as, for example, assistance in digital forensics activities, or let's say agent installation, if you have the alerts module purchased here, what you can do is you can contact us very easily. So by design, I have this chat here. This is 24/7. You can contact us at any time of day and night. You simply click send us a message. That's a weird sentence. Yep. Here you go. You just click send. and boom, here we go. We'll reply as soon as possible, and we'll take care of you.